Connor Thomas. Sorry about that. Where was I? The pulmonary vein. The function of this is a vein which carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the right atrium, the left atrium, sorry, of the heart. The next one is a tricuspid valve, which is, sorry about this mouse, it's a bit temperamental when screencast is playing. That's a tricuspid valve. And the function of this is this forms a boundary between the right ventricle and the left atrium, so basically just separates the parts. Yeah, pretty much. The next one is a aortic valve. This mouse, sorry again, can't really do much when screencast is playing. Function of this is the main artery of the blood which supplies oxygenated blood to circulate the system. Yeah, that's pretty much all I can say. The left atrium is found right in the middle. This bloody mouse. There. The function of the left atrium is 2 seconds. Mum is calling me, I don't know why. The left atrium, this acts as a chamber for the blood, is returning the blood back from the lungs as it acts as a pump to transport blood as it bursts out of the heart. Excuse me. Next is the bicuspid valve, which is located here. Come on. There we go. The function of this is, well, the place of it is between the left atrium and the right ventricle, and it allows blood to only flow one way. So basically, it just prevents backflow. Sorry. So the blood can't go in the same direction where it's just been. We really need this. Basically, needs valve to survive, I suppose. The next one is the semilunar valve. So it's the one bang smack in the middle. The function of this is to prevent backflow again from the blood from the arteries. Yeah, that's all I can really say on it. The next one is the left ventricle, so it's obviously on the right hand side on this diagram. Sorry about this mouse again, it's absolutely terrible. The definition of this is that 1 of 4 chambers heart will contract, will allow to flow blood back into the chamber, and then this oxygenated blood will go back towards the body when it's pumped, when it's like relaxing again. So yeah, that's all I can really say. The pulmonary artery is this one here, not that one, this one. This mouse is absolutely awful. Basically the function of this is the blood carries blood. The arteries carry blood from the right ventricle to the heart, then to the lungs, so oxygenation can take place. The aorta, that one there. If the mouse stops moving, mouse not even moving now. There we go. Yeah, it's just done it. The aorta's function is this is the main artery of the blood which supplies oxygenated blood to the circulation system again. The superior vena cava. So it is there. There we go. basically the function of this is carries out deoxygenated blood from the upper body to the heart. The last one is the right ventricle. Obviously, it's the only blue one left. Come on, mouse. And this is the function. Other chambers of deoxygenated, the other chambers insect never fall, but hold deoxygenated blood and it'll pump it towards the lungs. I'm going to quickly pause this little video now. That is the functions and the structure of the heart. I'm now going to go on to the respiratory system and do the same on purpose games. I'll be back in 2 seconds. So I'm back again, and this time we're labeling the respiratory system. I'm going to be obviously explaining to you, showing you where it is in the game. So that's the structure basically done, showing you that, and then I'm going to just go through a quick function like I did at the last video. First one, the bronchus. The mouse is a little bit better now, so let's take this okay. So obviously here is the bronchus, just above the alveoli basically, and I'll tell you the function now. The function, the trachea divides it into 2 bronchi. Air passes through these basically. So when you breathe in, it's 2 bronchi put together and just passes through that to get towards the alveoli. The next one is the nasal cavity. Imagine most people would know it as the nose. Basically, yeah, the nose basically, just at the middle of the face, I suppose. So the function is where air enters the body, it contains cilia to help filter out dust and particles. Basically, this means like hair in your nose, just stops it basically getting through. Yeah, basically just stops it getting through. Next one's your pharynx. Air passes through the pharynx at the back of the throat. So basically, as soon as you breathe in, the air you're breathing goes straight back there. That's the first thing it hits, really. The next one is the alveoli, which is at the bottom of each lung in the air sacs. That hasn't pushed it. There we go. A quick thing is, these are little air sacs that they said that are attached to the bronchioles. This is where gas exchange takes place. So basically, this is the end of the cycle now, and this is where it ends, and this is the reason why we breathe, because these little air sacs that are in our lungs, and they help us just basically live. Basically, the next one's a trachea. Just found basically down the bottom of the windpipe, basically. Yeah, also known as a windpipe passage for oxygen to travel through, surrounded by like C-shaped cartilage rings for protection. So if you got hit there, you could damage your windpipe, but these cartilage rings will protect it as much as they can, but why they do that much, I'm not sure. The next one is the bronchioles, which is, so it's a bit further on from the bronchus. And the bronchioles is a single one, so 2 of them make a bronchus, 1 makes a bronchiole. Basically divided into 2 bronchioles, like I just said. Air passes through these, then they'll get to the alveoli. Second last one, sorry, is the larynx, which is there. Yeah, basically down the windpipe again, air passes through the larynx. This is basically responsible for your voice, so it's basically known as your voice box, which is making me talk right now. So I'm using my larynx right now as I'm talking to the computer. And the last one is the epiglottis, just past the pharynx, in between the larynx, pharynx and larynx. The air passes over this. It is responsible for covering up the trachea and basically helps food, basically a food pipe, and it basically makes it so when you're eating or drinking, maybe even, so don't go run down the wrong way. So it basically just prevents that. If I hit it, that would be a good idea. Yeah, so basically that's what it does. This has been Connor Thomas, DCF Level 3. I hope you enjoyed, and there'll be another video coming soon.